Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my pack opening on Topps Kick on the computer. I've got 36 packs I'm going to open. You may use these codes, but they're probably not going to work. Now, this is my first video I've done, and it's my new channel. And with further ado, let's enter some of the packs. But 32, 34. Can't remember. And the first one is VYK 3 SB3. Hopefully this isn't the correct one. Well, we're gonna get our first pack. In this channel, I'll be opening lots of these packs. Well, sometimes I'll open like 10 and play games with them. And without further ado, this pack is bad. I got this guy in my cards. I collect these. Just can't believe it. This pack's horrible. Next pack, I'll be getting. I think I'll get Martin Skrtel. Pretty sure. Let's type in the code BNLQ. Now in this, I'll be playing some of the games after I do this, but that will be in the next episode, I think. I don't know. It's okay. I got Troy Denny in my deck in real life. I got this guy in my deck in real life. Yeah. Quite bad pack, must say. Next one, I reckon we'll get Cesc Fabregas. Is what we're gonna get. I'm pretty sure. Well, that's what I'm betting on. 6. And also on this channel, I will be playing games, as I said before. I don't know why I'm saying it again, but I can. So this channel will last forever until I get back to school, and then I can only post a video once a week. That's gonna happen soon. And who do we get in our second pack or third? I don't know. I don't care. How is this possible? What the heck? What the heck? No way. We just got Kevin Miralles. We just got 3 out of the matches. Can't believe it. No way. No. And plus, in that pack, we got Cesc Fabregas. And Emre Can. And Todd Welleck. This is the best pack we've got so far. Boy, these are quite bad. Now the matches. But I will accept them next year. Okay, next pack. I will, after this, make a team and start playing. And just play. Now, sometimes these codes are like really confusing. Like, I could just letters are too close, or the R and R just look exactly the same. Now, who do we get here? We got 10 new cards. We got Troy Denny. Crap. Oh, Klein's good. That's a great pack. Oh my god. 5.0 million euros. 3-star, that's rare, I reckon. This guy's is okay, I reckon this guy's better than that guy. It's true. And then we got this guy. All these guys. So that's just a horrible pack. And also, I will not be swearing in any of these videos. But I will be playing more violent games once I get a better computer. For now, we can only do this, and maybe a few little games, like Roblox. I've got you. Now, I don't think this is the correct code. My friend said he used it. Code redemption. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I knew that would happen. Let me just quickly do that one again. I don't know what happened, but something happened. So 8SLY UOWO. Oh wait, I meant that O. Start. Code redemption again. Who cares? Oh, Joe Hart. We got Joe Hart. Can't believe it. Joe Hart. Joe Hart. Can't believe it. And we got Cresswell, who we were supposed to get. So, Joe Hart. He's a good player. Don't know why he doesn't sell for much. Next, we'll get K and ZALGBH. Yes. Yeah, it's okay. I got this guy in my deck at home. Oh, we got a cult hero. Never got that. Next. Ding ma ding ma ding a ding 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 ma ding the big fat bum. Dun 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 dun. Take this revenge and I find this. Now we're gonna be doing another 83Y 9 GDZI. What did we get? I don't know. Oh, wrong. Too close to the edge. What? No way. No way. How is that possible? Only 2 people in my school have 2-star players. I never even knew you could get 2-star players on the internet. Well, on Topps Kick. On the other hand, we did get a good Manchester United player, which comes with the pack. 6 cards only. That's average. Next, we will be getting someone out. What's happening? Some sort of lagging. What's up there? There you got 3 SD IMPP. 3 SD. Wait. 3 IMP. Deck the holes of chocolate people. Code redemption. And we just got Joe Hart. Harry Kane! Harry Kane! Bronze limited edition. Harry Kane. No way. And Joe Hart with that. We already got Joe Hart though. Wow. Harry Kane bronze edition. Now if we can only get a Diego Costa in gold, then I would be happier. I got Rose Barkley in my thing too. But Harry Kane. This is definitely one of the best packs. You never really get Harry Kane in bronze, to be exact. 8-6. Yeah. In this one we might get Diego Costa gold edition. Limited edition gold. Well, Eden Hazard 101. Please. Eden Hazard 101? No. Also got Aston Villa. It's a horrible pack. Now, on in the chat, well, in the comments, right, in this pack, in Aaron Ramsey, Aston Villa, none of these two cards. Which one of these do you reckon is the best? I'm gonna have to let you do a quick look now. Done. There's a quick look. That was a horrible pack, I must say. Horrible pack. I don't know why they gave me that pack, but you need to accept it sometimes. Now, who we're getting in this is definitely going to be a crap player. Well, that was a bad pack, I must say for myself. That was a horrible pack. Now, in this one, and if you want to check the website for this, then just go online, search up topsfootball.co.uk, because it's a UK thing. Ba-ding-a-ding-a-ding. And XS. Now, something isn't wrong. Something's wrong. Did I forget something? I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, I did forget one thing. Is the V. Man of the match! Whoa. Ki Sang-yuing! Whoa. He's beast, I must say. No, it's not actually. I reckon that guy's actually quite crap, this guy. Right here. Don't say that to him, though. You know he's a man of the match. Yeah, don't tell him that. Cause he is quite bad, I must say. Now we've got this back. Why would I make that noise? VSLUJ76W. Oh, come on! VSLUJ76W. Now this is our last pack. Make sure it's a good pack or not. No way! I got this guy in my deck. I swear to God, I got that guy in my deck. This guy right here, I got him in my deck. Don't have him. Don't have these guys. We got Rodriguez. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. And see you next episode. Bye. Bye.